In this video, we are going to see how we can resolve the script error that says an error has occurred in the script on this page. Whenever you are trying to run, let's say, any application in Windows 11 or 10, here's a quick solution for you. So what you do is just hold the window key and press the R key on your keyboard. R is for run, and then simply write %temp %, hit enter. And this is a temporary folder which will create some temporary files in the system. Press Ctrl A to select them all and hold the Shift key and press delete. We want to permanently delete these files, click yes. And if it shows you the administrator permission, just click on continue. And if it is unable to remove that files, you just skip that particular file and still continue with that. So once you do that, it will keep a little bit of files and remove the rest. And you can also remove those ones as well once you close the application, the relevant application. And after that, we will clean the rest of it as well by using the disk cleanup. We will write here disk cleanup, hit enter. And after that, we will uncheck everything. We will just keep this option checked, that is temporary internet files. Make sure you have the C drive selected and click OK. Click on delete files. And once those temporary internet files are deleted, you need to restart your computer once in order to make that effective. And after that, when you try to access that particular document, or let's say access any page, you won't be getting this script error on the page. So that's about it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.